I'll tell you, it's sunny today, it's warm today, but what we have are storms that'll come in tonight. And then talk about St. Patrick's Day and all the festivities on Saturday. We're going to have some really rough winds around here on Saturday. Right now, we're looking at a beautiful Grant Park, and we're looking at a very nice temperature of 68 degrees. You ought to be about 20 degrees cooler than that for today, but we're going to add to the 68 degrees, and some people could see about 80 degrees. Near record warmth for today, and we'll have the severe storms move through tonight, and then high winds on Saturday that will bring us probably warning criteria on Saturday, as winds could gust to 60 miles an hour. The severe storms tonight are quite a risk to us. We're at level 3 out of 5 levels of severe, mostly for damaging winds and for the possibility of some spin-up tornadoes along a squall line that comes through here as we go into the late night tonight and the very early hours of Saturday. But by sunrise on Saturday, they're out of here, and we start to see just the windy conditions. Today, 79 degrees for a high. Some people will see the low 80s. Sunday is our coldest day, and then we start to recover after that. So it's the ups and downs of March around here and the serious storms of spring, and we'll have more details coming up.